Hello, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. So let's get started. First things first, open Binance app on your device. Once it is opened, click on bottom right asset section. Then click on Add Funds button. Then click on On-Chain Deposit. Then select USDT from the results. Then select Network from the results. I am selecting TRC20. Then it will give you the deposit address. Then click on Copy button to copy the address. We will use it later. Then close Binance. Then open OKX app. Once it is opened, click on Assets button on the bottom right. Then click on Withdraw button. Then click on Withdraw Crypto. Then select USDT from here. In the new page, click on Exchanges button. Then select TRC20 from here. Then paste the address we copied earlier. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. After entering amount, click on Submit, and the amount will start withdrawing. After a few minutes, you will receive your amount on Binance. And that's how you transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.